Alright, in this video we're going to talk about a data structure called arrays. Now, imagine a situation where you're trying to remember 200,000 different numbers. Well, you can't very well create a single variable container for each of those 200,000 slots and give them all unique names and reference them all by their names. You want to have some method by which you can keep track of lists of data and lists of data. Basically, imagine a spreadsheet where or for that matter, just for the time being, just imagine a list. And so say we have 10 different numbers that we need to keep track of. And each of those numbers can change, but we need to have 10 different containers within which to put those numbers so that we can keep track of 10 quantities at a time. Well, we do that with arrays, where it's one way to do it. So to declare a new array, we say, we give it a data type, and then we type these two brackets, which are just above the return key, kinda. And we say, give it a name, a myArray, equals new, we type the new keyword, and we say the type again, and now we put the size in there. Now the 4 stands for I want 4 slots. So I want 4 containers with which I can hold quantities. So the first container might have a 2, the second might have a 3, the fourth might have a 1, the fifth might have, oh, if we had 5. Anyway, as with string indexes, the index starts at 0. So let's assign some values to this array. So we assign a value by telling it the index, and then we give that index a value. So myArray at index 1, let's store the value 4. myArray at index 2, we'll store the value that, and myArray at index 3, and we'll store the value of negative 231. So now, if we want to print some stuff out, system.out.println, we can print out the value at those locations. So let's print out the value that's stored at index 0. And if we print that, it will print out 9. If we print whatever is stored at the index 1 or 2, so let's print out whatever is stored at 2, and it will print out that number. So that is how you declare new integer arrays and assign various indices of value in that array.